How do you motivate people? This is one of the basic and fundamental job of a coach or a scrum master or a leader. We need to motivate the troops. Now, how do you motivate? Do you tell them stories? Do you go and share your experience? Do you tell them what kind of potential they have? What do you do? Does it work all the time? If not, I have the answer for you. Hello, my name is Devabam Sanyal and I am your personal coach. Now, motivational theory has something very interesting, and I'm going to share with you the fundamentals of motivation. So, when we try to motivate someone, for example, if I have to motivate you, how would I motivate you? There would be some things that I would try on you. Maybe I'll say my story, or maybe I'll tell you that how much potential you have, or I would tell someone else's story, or I would try to bring into a field where you understand what you are capable of, right? Now, even after doing all this, you might not get motivated. Why? Because I think I can motivate you with those factors by which I get motivated, right? Because I assume that if I get motivated by this factor, you will also get motivated by this factor. For example, if I get motivated by money, I would think that you will also get motivated by money, and I'll offer you high paying job, for example, to motivate you. But money may not be the motivational factor for you. And no matter how much money I offer you, you won't get motivated. You might be motivated by, environment. You want a positive environment, a psychologically safe place. That's what you get motivated by. But I don't realize, because probably I don't get motivated by that factor. So all the motivation fails because I assume you will be motivated by that factor. And just imagine how many people we try to motivate. Everybody has different motivational factor associated. I cannot try, and sometimes it works because sometimes maybe I share those motivational factors with someone else and it works, right? So what we need to do is, whenever we are trying to motivate a team or a people, a group of people, we need to understand what are the factors by which they get motivated by. How you need not to really assume anything. You need to go and talk to them, try to understand them, try to understand the things that they get motivated by. And then use those factors as motivation. And then you'll see the results. So the basic fundamental of motivational theory is that I have my personal, factors by which I get motivated by. And nobody knows it unless I share it. And when I share it, when I feel comfortable enough to share those factors with someone else, right? And that's where the art of coaching comes into the picture, where you give them the safe space where they can talk about those factors by which they get motivated by. Probably they are not getting that motivation from the current organization, from the current role. It could be extrinsic motivation, it could be intrinsic motivation. We all know intrinsic motivation is a great factor in motivating, right? But we also know that we probably need to give them a baseline reward, a baseline extrinsic motivation as well, before we can jump into the realm of intrinsic motivation, right? So overall, what you need to do is you need to start conversing with them as a team, as a person, as a group of people, whatever you are trying to do. Just try conversing with them. Try to get them the safe place. Don't jump the gun and start motivating, because it sometimes backfires, right? So what you need to do is start those safe coaching practices, understand the team, understand the person, and then from that understanding, create your coaching plan, create your strategy, to motivate these people using those factors by which they get motivated by. Never assume and never jump the gun. You might not get people motivated, and you might actually get people, demotivated. So the fundamental again is to converse with them, understand by the factors they get motivated by, and then implement those in your coaching plan or strategy. I hope you liked the content. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have anything to share, please put your comments down below, and I will see you soon.